Well, it's Thursday night. That means Pastor's Picks. High school basketball playoffs are on the way, but yet we're still grading. We are still watching out for the top 5 players and the top 5 teams in the Midlands. Let's start with our top 5 players. Number 1 hasn't changed. P.J. Dozier. He continues to play well. That knee's getting back stronger the way it normally is. He's jumping, got more explosiveness, playing well. Spring Valley got Jordan Bruner back as well, too, on that team. Watch out for them. They're going to be dangerous. But P.J. Dozier's number 1. Number 2, Mama, here's that young man again, Tevin Mack. Dreer's playing some good basketball. He's getting better. He's scoring. He's getting other guys involved. That makes a great player. Number 3, Devontae Shuler, 35 points last night in the first round of the playoffs, 19 in the third quarter. He's a guy, boy, it's hard for me not to get him up at number 2 like a 2A, 2B, but exceptional player, and he's only a sophomore. Number 4, 7 Woods. Of course, he's a great athlete, has been playing well as of late. Well, he's got to lead this Hammond team to a Skeezer championship. I think they will and they should. And then number 5, welcome into a newbie. He's a newbie POP top 5er. Jared Richardson last night up at Seneca had 51 points. No, it's not a typo. He really did. 51 points to help Lower Richland win that ball game at Seneca. So welcome in Jared Richardson. A lot of people have been telling me about this guy, and finally he's made an appearance in my top 5 players of the Millers. Teams, let's go. Here we go. Number 1, the Falcons of AC Flora. Won last night. Really good basketball team. Sound. James Murray Bulls, 19 points in that ball game. They're going to be tough defending that state 3A championship. Number 2, Irmo. Oh, this is a good basketball team. Tim Whipple does such a great job out there for Irmo. Good team. I just talked about Devontae Shuler, but they have other guys around him, and that's a good thing about Irmo. They got a great player surrounded by a lot of good basketball players. Number 3, Spring Valley. Bruner is back. They are playing tonight. This is a team that should make some noise. They got their team fully back. I think there's going to be a scary, scary team in 4A playoffs. So look for them to make a big move. Number 4, Keaton. Come on, Coach Norris. Why you do my team, the Central Eagles, like you did them last night? You blow them out of the gym. But this is a good basketball team. We know they're well coached. They understand what it means to be in big games. They sit at number 4. At number 5, because I got Jared Richardson in, welcome in Lower Richland. They are number 5. I think this is a good team. They kind of been on the cusp of getting in the top 5 before, but when you go on the road, you got a guy scores 51 and you win the way that you won last night, welcome in to the Pastor Picks top 5. So there it is, guys. Again, I'm going to continue to do it throughout high school basketball playoffs. So my eyes are on you, just like they were on Jared Richardson. Are you the next guy to get involved in my top 5 Pastor Picks? That's going to do it for sports. We'll come back. We'll wrap things up here in just a moment.